In this video, I will show you how to delete history on Google Chrome so you can clear your browsing activity and protect your privacy. Now to do this, what you want to do is open up a new Google Chrome browser, and once you've done that, if you come up to the top right hand corner of Google Chrome, click onto the three dots to open this menu, and from here you want to hover over history. In the submenu that comes up, you're going to see an option to open history page. Give that a click, and you can also use Ctrl and H on your keyboard, and that's going to take you across to your Chrome history. To delete any items from your browsing history, just find the item you want to delete. So let's take, for example, this one here. Come to the left hand side and tick the box. Now you can do this for multiple items as well, and once you've done that, if you come up to the top right hand corner, you can see we got an option to delete from here. Give that a click, and what that's going to do is open a small window like this, asking if you want to delete these pages from your history. So what you want to do is click on to delete. And once you've done that, it's going to straight away delete the page from your browsing history. Now, if you actually want to delete your browsing history from, say, all time, what you can do is come over to the menu on the left-hand side and click the option which says delete browsing data. Now, from here, if you look at the top, you can choose to delete your browsing data from the last 15 minutes, the last hour, 24 hours, all time, or if you click onto more, you can even just delete for 7 days or 4 weeks. Now, if you look at the top, you've got the option for browsing history, so make sure to tick that box. And there are some additional things you can delete. For example, if you want to delete your download history, all site settings and things like that. Once you've done that, come down and click the delete data button. And again, that's going to go ahead and delete your history on Google Chrome. So that is how to delete history on Google Chrome. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute. Thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.